Hello there everybody. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. This video is for my cleaners, whether it's Airbnb vacation rentals or just traditional cleaning properties. When you're in the bathroom is notorious for hair. So as opposed to compartmentalizing the bathroom to just sweeping within the bathroom and then shoveling it up in the bathroom, what I do is I get everything and I just sweep it towards one way, and you can see all the hair going out so you don't miss anything. Everything, see? And it's just a nice giant sweep towards the doorway, and then that way everything gathers. Get behind the door, and you're gonna sweep everywhere. All the hair gets literally swept out of the bathroom and then gathers right here. So let me show you exactly. I was doing some sweeping before I thought about this video, and this was a good tip. When I first started cleaning, I didn't understand this. I wasn't doing it like this, and what would happen was people would sit on the toilet, and what do? They start looking around at the baseboards, at the ground, and they might see some hair from previous guests. Not good. So let me show you exactly what ends up gathering once you do that big sweep out the bathroom. Look at all that. All that hair that you may have missed if you had just kept it confined to sweeping just in the bathroom. See? You know, sometimes, which brings me to another point too, these brooms are really good. It's very important to have a matching dustpan. If you don't have a matching dustpan for your broom, specifically for that kind of broom, then you run the risk of when you do sweep things up, you're not going to get everything. So doing it like this has always ensured that the complete floor is completely swept. No hairs were left behind in this sweep. Anyway, so I just thought about that because I was at my vacation rental property, and it's a good tip. You know, you may know this, you may do this, but for those who don't, this could be a very valuable piece of information to know, which could save time and save complaints with people seeing hair. Alrighty, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy cleaning.